Today, I want to make you do in the textbook, not in the CW, not in the notebook. Okay? Yesterday I did not give you homework, no? Homework, no? Conversion from rupees to paise over. So let us do the same topic in the textbook also. Open page number 58. Textbook page number 58. Let us do exercise 1 in the textbook. Okay? Page number 58, textbook. You can see exercise 1. Conversion of money. Conversion of money. Exercise 1. Okay, already we have done these two topics in the notebook. Notebook, we have done this. So let us do in the textbook. Conversion of money. Conversion of money. We know that our Indian currency is rupee. Rupee, no? Now, we can convert, yesterday we learned rupee to paise and again paise to rupee. We can convert rupee to paise and paise to rupee. We learned that, no? Already we have done in the notebook. So let us do in the textbook now. Open all of you page number 58, textbook, exercise 1. Are you ready? Are you ready? See, 2 Romans are there. Exercise 1, we have 2 Romans. See the first one, convert to paise. Convert to paise. In this we have A to F sums. A, B, C, D, E, F. F are there, F sums are there. Convert to paise. See here, are you ready? You can see exercise 1, Roman number 1, convert to paise. We are converting into paise. So in the answer, we need to keep the symbol paise. Paise symbol P. Okay. In the answer, we need to keep the symbol paise. See all these questions. See all these questions. Rupees are given. See in the given sums and a rupee symbol is there. We have to convert into paise. Here to convert to paise, we have 2 types of sums. You can see, observe these 2 nana. See rupees and rupees. First 2 sums. Only rupees are there. But see this rupees and paise. 1 rupee 50 paise. 1 rupee 50 paise. Rupees and paise. They are separated with this dot. Okay. Oh, here only rupees are there for these 2 sums. Now the remaining 4 sums, they have rupees and the paise together. You know, in the notebook also we have done 2 types. Okay. Now we know how to convert. What do you do if there are only rupees? See, any dot is there? Dot after any paise are there? No. So how will you convert? Let us write. You have some space in the textbook. Take your pencil and let us write here only. Here only you should write. You have some space. You can write answer there. Okay? Here, you have some space, no? You can write. Okay? See? Convert to paise. If there are only rupees, what we should do? We write, put equal to there. 6 rupees. Already in the textbook it is there. You need not write. Already it is there, na? 6 rupees is there. Just take your pencil and write equal to symbol there. Now we are changing this rupees to paise. What do we do? Same 6. Here the number of rupees is 6, no? 600 what? Rupees changes to paise. So let us write answers in the textbook itself. We have done in the notebook already. Okay, here you have some space between the sums. You have some space. So let us write answers there. 6 rupees is equal to 600 paise. Okay, same number 6 and put 2 zeros. Rupee symbol changes to paise symbol. Rupee symbol changes to paise symbol. So 6 rupees is equal to 600. 600 paise. So let us change this. What is the given sum? See all of you, B. 10 rupees. 10 rupees. So what we have to do? Same 10. The number of rupees is 10. So write same 10 here. Same 10 in the answer. Are you writing with pencil in the textbook? Textbook only. You need to write textbook in the textbook. You have some space after the sum. Okay, there only you write. Already we have done this in the notebook. So same 10. Next, what do we do? Put 2 more zeros to the right side. Write same 10. 2 more zeros. So 10 rupees. 10 rupees. When we convert 10 rupees into paise, we get 1000. See 3 zeros. Already 10 has 1 zero. And we have put now 2 more zeros. Now the answer we got is 1000. 1000. And is it enough? Changing the number is enough? We have to change the symbol also now. So rupee symbol changes to paise symbol. Where we have to put paise symbol? At the end or in the starting? At the end. Paise symbol ending. Rupee symbol starting. We know that, no? We have done many sums, no? Okay, have you written this answer? The same 10 and 2 more zeros. We got 1000. 1000 has 3 zeros. We know 1000 paise. We need to convert not only the number, symbol also. It's very important, symbol changing. Okay, next. See, are you doing? Are you following? You can see here, Nana. Here, rupees and paise. Dot is there in the middle. You know, this dot separates rupees and paise. One side rupees are there, one side paise are there. So 1 rupee, how do you read this? 1 rupee, 50 paise. 1 rupee, 50 paise. Then what do you do? Just remove the dot. We have done in the notebook now. Remove the dot. Remove the dot. Remove the dot in the answer. Dot should not be written in the answer. Okay? Now let us write. 1. Remove the dot. And 50. We have to combine the number. Okay? Join the numbers. 1 and 50. 1 and 50. Join. Write them together. No dot in the answer. Remove the dot. Should not be written in the answer. Dot should not be written. Okay. So what answer we got? 150. Just we have done only this one. Remove dot. And write the numbers together in the answer. So we got 150. Don't forget the symbol. Paise symbol at the end. Okay. Now 1 rupee 50 paise. When we convert this into paise, we got 150 paise. Have you done in the textbook? Okay, let us do the next one. D. Read, you also read. 2 rupees. 2 rupees. You know, dot is there. One side rupees and the other side paise. So 2 rupees. 2 rupees. 25 paise. 25 paise. Okay. Let us change. Let us write answer here. Let us write. What do we do? Remove the dot. When the rupees and paise both are there, we remove the dot, join the numbers. Remove the dot. Write the same 2. 2 rupees are there, write the same 2. Okay. Remove the dot. Remove the dot. And 2, 5, 25. Join the numbers. Don't separate. Join them. Okay. Now rupee symbol changes to paise symbol. Rupee changes to paise symbol. So 2 rupees 25 paise. When we convert into paise, we got 225 paise. 225 paise. Remove the dot, join the numbers, change rupee symbol to paise symbol. We have only 3 steps. Okay. Next. The next one is E. Can you read this? Read, ma. Dot is there, one side rupees, other side paise. 3 rupees, 50 paise. Okay. Change, convert into paise. Only rupee symbol is there in the question. So it changes to paise symbol. We know that now we are converting into paise. Rupees are there in the given form. We are converting into paise. Okay. So let us write 3 and remove the dot. Remove the dot. Should not be written in the answer. 5050. Okay. You got 350. Are you writing in the textbook? You are writing in the textbook now. You have some space now. You have some space. You can write here. Write the smaller ones. Smaller ones. Okay. Rupee symbol to paise symbol. Rupee symbol to paise symbol. You know, must and should. Changing the symbol also. Okay. Have you done this? See the last one, F. You have here F sum. Can I write here now? I don't have place. I'm writing here. Okay. F. What is that? 5 rupees. How will you read? You have to read 5 rupees 50 paise. 5 rupees 50 paise. Okay. I don't have place, so I have written here. F. You have there only in the textbook. Here itself you have. So let us write answer. What do we do? Rupees and paise both are there. Then remove the dot. Remove the dot. Join the numbers. Okay. 5 rupees. Number of rupees 5. So write same 5 there. And remove the dot. 5050 join here itself. So we got 550. Rupee symbol changes to paise symbol. We write paise symbol at the end. At the end we write. Have you done A, B, C, D, E, F? Have you done that? Okay. Here we have second Roman. Convert to rupees. Okay, same. Under the first Roman, you have second Roman also. So let us do that. Second Roman. Convert to rupees. It's also so easy. Yesterday only we learned. We did in the notebook. See the second Roman, convert to rupees. Rupees, we are converting into rupees. So in the answer, we should keep rupee symbol. In the answer, we should keep rupee symbol. So let us see what is A. 650 paise. Okay, we have to change this into paise to rupee. Paise to rupee, okay, equal to, already 650 is there in the textbook, put equal to symbol, okay. Now paise is there in the question, we are changing paise to rupee. Rupee symbol should be written in the beginning, right? Rupee symbol, starting of the answer only in the beginning. So paise symbol is changed to rupee symbol. Okay, clear? Are you following? Yeah, how will you do this? How will you do this? We need for paise 2 digits I said yesterday. For paise column, we need 2 digits. So, ones place and tens place. 650 is a 3-digit number. So from the last we count. How do you place the places ma? Ones and tens only, no? Ones and tens. You also can write 0 is in ones place, 5 in tens place. So keep the places ones and tens. Write with pencil. Underline these two, ones and tens places. Underline only ones and tens, not 100. You know, 2 digits for paise. So separate this. 6 rupees. 6 is alone here. 6 is alone. These two together. These two together. So 6 and 50 should be written separately. How do you separate? By putting dot. So let us write 6. Have you written? Rupee symbol, paise to rupee. Symbol is important. So take ones place and tens place. Underline last 2 digits. Now 6. Write the same 6 here. We are going to separate them by dot. Put dot. Then 50. 6 rupees 50 paise. Have you written the answer? Next B. $500 paise. Okay, have you done this, ma? Now, paise to rupees. Change. Converting to rupees. In the question, paise symbol is there. So, we have to convert to rupee symbol. Write rupee symbol in the beginning. Rupee symbol. Paise, convert to rupees. Now, how will you convert? Ones place and tens place. Ones place, tens place. Underline and separate them. Ones place and tens place, we need to separate. Okay, how will you separate? By putting dot. So let us write 5 dot. This dot separate rupees and paise. This side rupees and the other side paise. Can I write C here? Can I write C? I'm writing here, ma. 250 paise. You have here only in the textbook. For smaller ones, no, you cannot see. It is not visible to you. That's why I'm writing now big in size. I don't have place here. So I have written down 250 paise. This is also same process. Paise symbol to rupee symbol. Paise to rupee. Change. Convert. Then last 2 is ones place and tens place. You also say ones place, tens place, separate. Separate. now. So we take 2 as rupees. 2 as rupees. 2 dot 50. Ones plus, tens plus 50. So we got 2 rupees, 2 rupees 50 paise. Are you doing 300 paise? 300 paise. So let us write mark. Here also paise symbol to rupee symbol. Change. Convert the symbol. Convert to rupees. So rupee symbol in the answer. We need to write rupee symbol. Last 2 digits. Ones place, tens place. You also say and do. Ones place, tens place. Underline. Why should we underline this? We need 2 digits for paise column. That's why. Paise. Okay. Now 3 is alone. We take 3 as rupees. So 3 rupees. And dot. Rupees and paise should be separated by dot. Now say 20. Have you done this? E, from E. 850 paise. 850 paise. Here also paise symbol to rupee symbol. We have to convert paise to rupees. That's why rupee symbol in the answer. Right, rupee symbol in the beginning. Rupee symbol. Then for paise we need to take last 2 digits. Ones place and tens place. Last 2 digits. And 8 is alone. We take 8 as rupees. So right here 8 rupees. How will you separate rupees from paise? Dot. Are you following? Then 50. 50. Ones and tens places. Right here. So we got 8 rupees. 8 rupees 50 paise. 50 paise. Dot is there. This dot separates rupees and paise. Now we have one more sum, F. Shall I write here? F. You have here only in the textbook. Okay? I am writing here. I don't have place. $525 paise. Convert to rupees. So paise symbol to rupee symbol. Paise symbol to rupee symbol. Then we need 2 digits for paise. So ones place and tens place. Underline the question. Ones place and tens place. 2 digits. Last 2 digits. I mean from right side. Okay. Last 2 digits. Ones place and tens place. Now 5 is alone. 5 only 5. 5 is alone. Take it as rupee. So 5 rupees. 5 rupees. And we have to separate paise. That's why dot. Dot. Okay. These 2 digits. 2 and 5. 2, 5. So how will you read? 5 rupees 25 paise. Okay, have you done this? Roman number 2, convert to rupees. We have A, B, C, D, E, F. Check Check your answers once. You need not circle, just for checking. Check your answers, all of you. Have you written the same? Check these answers, what you have written in the textbook. Please check the symbols also. Check. Now, go to page 61. Page number 61. Page number 61. Textbook page number 61. Page number 61. Here already I made you do. Review exercise Roman number 1 I made you do. Page number 61. Here you have only 4 sums. Let us do that. Convert as directed. Page number 61. Second Roman. Page number 61. 61. Second Roman. Convert as directed. ₹9.50. 2 paise. So we have to convert rupees and paise to paise. Okay. How will you write that? How will you write? In the answer there must be paise symbol. You are changing rupees to paise. Understood? Then what do we do? Just remove the dot. Remove the dot. Did you open page number 61? Make it fast. We have done many sums. You can do it. You need not write the sum already is there in the textbook. Let us do answers. Okay. Are you following? Remove the dot. The number of rupees, no, 9. So write the same number there. Here you have some space. In the textbook, you have some space. You have some space. And 50 together. Remove the dot. If there is dot, we remove it. Remove. And join the numbers. Join the numbers. Rupee symbol changes to paise symbol. Paise symbol at the end. Rupee changes to paise. This is the answer. Underline the answer. Now B. I don't have place to write here. So I am writing down. But you see the sum, what is given? B is here only in the textbook. So draw the line for answer. Draw the line for answer. ₹4.52. Here the given instruction is same as A, sum A. Here also rupees. We have to convert into paise. We have to convert into paise. So do same. The same you have to do here. Okay. Remove the dot. What do we do to change? If there are rupee and paise together, we remove the dot. Remove the dot. Number of rupees 4, no? So write same 4 there. Remove the dot. And join 50 with 4. Join this 50 with 4. So we got 450. Rupee symbol to paise symbol. Rupee symbol to paise symbol. Now, C. Only we have 2 more sums now. It takes only 1 minute or 2 minutes. C. 200 paise. Page number 61 are you doing? 2 rupees. Here what is the given instruction? Here is the C sum. C. What is the given instruction? C in given, no? So we have to convert into rupees. In the answer, there must be rupee symbol. Paise to rupee. Okay, let us write answer. So we are converting into rupees, no? So rupee symbol starting itself. Where do we keep rupee symbol? In the beginning of the answer. So rupee symbol. What do we do? Just now we have done. How will you change paise to rupee? Last two digits, ones place and tens place. Ones place and tens place. Two digits we need for paise. Underline here, ones place and tens place. And 2 is alone. So take 2 as rupee. Write 2 there. 2 is alone. Did you underline these two? Please make it fast. Same 2. Same 2 right here in the answer. And how will you separate? By putting dot 2 zeros. So you got 2 rupees 0 paise. 2 rupees 0 paise. Now let us do the these. Let us do fast now. 200 paise. Have you done this already? You can do now. Do it. So in the question paise are there. We need to convert into rupees. So in the answer rupee symbol, do fast. Rupee symbol 925 paise are there. So we have to separate them. Ones place and tens place. Underline. So 9 is alone. 9 as rupee. Take 9 as rupee. Put dot to separate paise. 2, 5. 2, 5. So 9 rupees 25 paise. Okay, ma. Today also no homework. You know how to convert. Just practice exercise 1 in rough book. Practice exercise 1. Page number 58. Exercise 1. Just in rough book. Do in the rough book. Practice. In rough book. In rough book. Rough book. Not in the notebook. Not in our math notebook. Rough book. Practice that. You know how to convert. Okay. Do your own. Now you have science class, Lana. Get ready.